beautiful people. So it's your girl. I'm back. I am back and I am very excited to be back. I'm also a little bit nervous. It has been 3 years since I have posted a video onto this channel. What is going on? I really needed to get my life. Anyways, I figured I would just jump back on here and give you guys a little life update. So within that 3 years, I have just really been researching a lot with regards to nutrition and health and wellness and all that good stuff. I also have been just working on myself. I lost my dad within that interim, so it's been a very challenging journey, but I've just been like going through the processes and pulling out the purpose in all of this. So the purpose of today's video, forgot one thing. A lot has changed with regards to my lifestyle and the way that I eat as well. I don't like doing labels, but I'm now more so like plant-based and vegan. Again, I don't like labels, but the way that I eat is more similar to that type of lifestyle. But the purpose of this video, I just really wanted to jump on here and give like an updated protein shake. So lately, I have just been changing up a lot of my exercises, and I'm gonna do a lot of the different types of workouts that I do on here as well. So 2 of my favorite exercises, actually 3, that I've recently implemented is boxing and MMA, which I absolutely adore, weight training, and HIIT. So HIIT training is high intensity interval training, and it's where you give 100% of your effort through quick, intense like interval workouts, and then following by short periods of recovery time. Sometimes those periods even include like light activity. And so it's a way to like increase your heart rate and burn a lot of fat. But with that being said, you utilize muscle groups that, oh my God, you never knew existed. So I actually started taking a supplement. Like I said, I am now doing more like dairy-free and soy-free and all that good stuff. So I have a raw organic protein by Garden of Life. This video is not sponsored, but I absolutely love Garden of Life. And my new supplement is BCAAs. So when I tell you, these bad boys are the jump. My instructor in my HIIT class, she told me, she's like, are you taking BCAAs? And I was like, no, I'm just like really sore. BCAAs are branched chain amino acids, and it's made up of a group of 3 amino acids. And usually when you take these supplements, they help with like muscle growth, and it also reduces fatigue and just enhances like your exercise performance in general. And it's also proven to increase like weight loss. But when I tell you, these bad boys work like gold. I was sore when I was coming out of those classes. It was mainly my HIIT classes, not my weights for some reason. Because like I said, with those HIIT classes, you just use muscle groups you never knew existed. But anyways, I started taking this and it's just been amazing. So I'm not gonna use it tonight because I'm not sore and I didn't do anything that I think I need to repair my muscles. I'm just making like a regular protein shake, but I did want to mention that normally when I'm doing those classes, I would put a scoop of the plant-based protein just to give me that additional recovery. Now this bad boy we're going to talk about, which I am going to include in the smoothie, is called ashwagandha, and it is a native root to India. And when I tell you, this is amazing because ashwagandha is an adaptogen. So what adaptogens do is they encourage our bodies to adapt to stressors, environmental or emotional stressors, and it increases your vitality. So if you are like stressed or you're dealing with a lot of things, it's a natural way to just deal with that stuff because your body is naturally going to adapt and help you to perform better when you take it. So I love it. Of course, the brand that I use is Terrasol. It's organic, of course, non-GMO. But yeah, it's also ashwagandha. I forgot one more thing. It's also really good for your cognitive function, so it's really good for your brain. So now we're gonna jump right into the smoothie. So nothing has changed. I'm really not good with like doing exact measurements, but I'm gonna show you exactly what I put in there. But yeah, the exact like 1 teaspoon this, 2 teaspoons that. I'm sorry guys. So I usually like freezing my bananas because I just like the consistency of the smoothie when I do so. So this is a whole banana. So that's the first thing that's going to go in there. A block of ice. And then macca powder, which this is also an amazing bad boy. I'll talk about that at another time. I know I give you guys a lot of information today. But another one of my faves. And chia seeds. So sprinkle. Whoopsie. And then of course my ashwagandha. Yeah, if you're a mommy, if you're a woman, if you're a human, you need better brain function. So yeah, I just put a little bit. It has like a somewhat bitter taste, not extremely bitter, but just slightly bitter, but I think it's the bomb. And then I use organic peanut butter. You can use almond butter, you can use nut butters, there's cashew butter. I usually do like one and maybe a little more. Bam. And then, what did I forget? What am I leaving out? I did my macca or cinnamon. You don't want to forget your cinnamon. So I do a sprinkle of cinnamon. Cinnamon. My son loves this smoothie. Maybe one time I'll have him make it and show you guys, but he really loves this. And then I like mixing my milk, so I do organic almond. And then my newfound favorite is oat milk. So I put a little bit of oat milk in there. Just a little bit. The consistency all depends. I like it like really smooth. And I have a Vitamix, but I mean you can use any blender. But this bad boy also will change your life. It's amazing. There you have it. So delicious, and you don't have to add like any type of sugar in here. Like I don't add honey, I don't add anything. It's just like all the ingredients and just all the superfoods and everything in there is perfect. I know a lot of people though, if you want an alternative to add like some sort of natural sweet, you can do dates. You can also do agave. You can do a little bit of raw honey. But I really don't add anything. My husband does sometimes, but yeah, that's it guys. I just wanted to jump back on here and give you guys a little life update. I am so happy just to be back and to share. I feel like a lot of times we share the mountaintops and we talk about like that we've been in the valley, but nobody actually talks about the valley. So I feel like I'm really going to be sharing like raw stuff on here as well. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of style stuff because that's my heart too. And just coming on here to spread some love. So leave me a comment below, and of course don't forget those like and subscribe buttons. Remember to be good to yourself, mind, body, and soul. Remember that you are an amazing creation. Thank you guys for tuning in. Try my smoothie. Let me know if you're gonna try it, and I love you guys. Bye.